Hello, my name is Matt Keck. Welcome to my first of 12 short videos that I will be producing on BIM 360 this year. I wanted to start with BIM 360 security because it's a question I get asked often. And while it's not the most riveting topic, I hope you find there to be some useful information here. I will include my email address at the end of this video, so if there's anything you would like to hear about, please feel free to shoot me an email and introduce yourself and let me hear from you and what you would like to know more about, either in these upcoming videos or just as a question. I just want to highlight a couple of points and then move on to some custom permission settings in BIM 360. Autodesk BIM 360 is a cloud-based construction project management platform designed to improve performance across a project's life cycle. As a secure cloud-based product, Autodesk BIM 360 offers the benefits of collaboration in the construction space while safeguarding customer data. The BIM 360 application is designed and built using best-in-class cloud software practices and powered by Amazon Web Services, or AWS, the world's leader in cloud infrastructure. They have designed their services to be scalable and secure, thus providing their customers with a resilient and safe application. They take the responsibility seriously and understand their customers' business is relying on them for secure operations. The examples I have listed above are just a few ways that Autodesk has built a secure system for project delivery. We have included a link to the BIM 360 security white paper on our blog. So let me take a minute to introduce you to BIM 360 permissions and how Autodesk has extended their security to your project controls. I wanted to talk about roles first. Roles are critical and the recommended starting point for your customized permissions. Projects begin on an account admin level. And it's important to note that while permissions can be assigned at company, user, and role levels, establishing a good role-based permission structure will make project templating much easier. With BIM 360, template projects with folder structures similar to that of your organization's normal project folder structure can be created to provide a smoother and faster new project startup. When role-based permissions are assigned, that permission standard is transferred from one project to the next, which will further reduce the project startup time. At the account admin level, new roles can be created and different module access can be attached to each role. You can see here in the account admin under the Roles tab how each role is itemized with different module access. Once a project has been created and a project admin has been assigned, project admin can begin to tailor their project permissions to accommodate their specific project needs. I'm going to go ahead and jump into a project here so we can look at a couple of different of the permissioning aspects in BIM 360. With the project admin module, issue permissions can be established, which will give admins control over how much project members can interact with issues created in the project. Under Services tab, in the left-hand column, select Issues. Here, new issue types, root causes, and custom attributes can be created. With the Project Admin module, members can be added to the project under the Members tab. They can be assigned access to specific modules or removed from modules they no longer need access to, as well as assigned the roles they will need when given role-based permissions. Notice in the itemized member list, the individual user, their company, their role, and the assigned modules. After members have been granted access to the document management and given a role, further control can be applied at each folder or subfolder. It is important to note that permission granted at parent folder level will be extended to the subfolders as well. Additionally, if a low permission is granted at a role or company level, a higher permission can be granted at a member level. Members will always inherit the highest level of permission granted. So if a member has view permission, and we'll take a look at the view permission under the architect folder, under permissions, you can identify the role of architect and the user, Matthew Keck, have both folder control and view, download, upload, and edit control. So if a person has the view permission at a company level, if companies had been added to the folder and the view only permission had been selected, the higher permission will be granted to that user. So that concludes today's video on permissions. I hope that you found this information useful, and I will look forward to hearing from you and requests for future episode content. Thank you, and have a great weekend.